Students, today we are going to learn the multiplication of integer of chapter 4 integer and exercise 4D. Just see the rules. To find the product of two integers with like sign means same sign, means positive or negative means two same sign. We find the product of their values and give a plus sign to the product. Means we have to multiply the two integer and the sign always positive. Okay, just see two example. Minus 17 into minus 7. See, both the integers have negative sign, means same sign. So we have to multiply 17 into 7. Answer is 119 and the sign always positive. Take another example. Plus 15 into plus 3. See, in both the case, sign are positive. So it follows the condition same sign. So we have to multiply these two number. 15 3s are 45. Then the sign of the answer is always positive. See the rule 2. To find the product of two integers with different sign. Different sign means if the sign of first integer is positive, then the sign of second integer will be negative. That means two different sign. We find their product of the values. Means we have to multiply each values and give a minus signs, means negative sign to the product. Means what is the different? For same sign the answer always positive, and for the different sign answer always negative, and in the both case we have to multiply two integer. See one example. Minus 13 into plus 7. In both case the sign are different, so the answer will be negative, and we have to multiply 13 into 7 turns to 91. Take another example. Plus 7 into minus 9. Plus 7 into minus 9. See, both the case the sign are different, so answer will be negative, and 7 into 9 equals to 63. Now comes to next sum. Find the product of more than two integer. We learn in the first and second rule multiplication of two integers, but in this case there are more than two integers. For this type of sum, see the question. Minus 3 into 7 into minus 6 into minus 2. In this case we have to multiply first two integer, means minus 3 into 7. Means both the number has different sign, minus sign, plus sign. So answer will be negative, means minus, and 3 into 7 equal to 21. These are written similar, minus 6, minus 2. Now we have to multiply minus 21 and minus 6. See, both the sign are negative, means same sign. So answer will be positive, means plus. Now 21 into 6, 126. Into last number are similar, minus 2. Now we have to multiply this 2, means plus 126 minus 2. See, both the sign are different, so answer will be negative. After multiplication we get 252. Now comes simplify. See, minus 27 into minus 16 plus 27 into minus 14. For this sum we have to follow this formula or this law. This law is known as distributive law. See, A into B plus A into C. You can see in both cases A are similar to the both part. So we have take common A, and the rest part are in the bracket, means B sign plus and then C. So now we comes to this math. See, minus 27 is similar for each case. So minus 27 is common. In bracket the rest part means minus 16 plus sign, and from this minus 14. Then we have to solve the part of the bracket. After solving we get minus 30. See, two sign are same, which is minus, so answer is minus, and we have to add this two number. The formula of addition of two integers. Now minus 27 into minus 30. So minus minus two same sign. When we know when the two sign is same for two integer, then the answer will be positive. And we have to multiply this two number 27 into 30. Answer will be 810. So the answer will be plus 810. Now comes to exercise 4e, which is division of integer. See rule 1. For dividing one integer by another having same sign. See again, having same sign, we divide their values and give plus sign to the quotient. Just similar to multiplication. In case of multiplication, we have to multiply the two integer. In case of division, we have to divide the two number, and the sign always positive for the same sign. See, minus 121 divided by minus 11. See, both the sign are same. So we have to give positive sign and divide this two number, we get 11. For this sum, see both sign are positive. So answer will be positive. After dividing, we get 7. So the final answer will be plus 7. See rule 2. For dividing one integer by another having different sign. Different means positive, negative. We divide their values and give minus sign to the quotient. See, minus sign to the quotient. See one example, minus 12 divided by plus 6. See, both the sign are different. So for different sign, we have to put minus sign. So minus, and after dividing, we get 6 2s are 12. So answer is minus 2. For this sum, plus 28 divided by minus 7. And you can see both the sign are different. So answer will be negative. And 7 4s are 28. After dividing, we get 4. So final answer is minus 4. Now comes to one fill in the blanks. Now see this question. Dash divided by minus 13 equal to 5. You all know this part means this fill in the blanks part is known as dividend. Second part is known as divisor, and last part is known as quotient. So for first sum, you have to find dividend. Divisor and quotient is given. To find dividend, you have to multiply divisor and quotient. So in this math, you have to multiply minus 13, which is a divisor, into 5, which is a quotient. So dividend equal to minus 13 into 5. You know the formula for different sign. Answer always negative, and you have to multiply this two number, which is minus 65. Now comes to this sum. You have to find this part, means divisor part, and dividend and quotient are given. So see, divisor equal to dividend divided by quotient. Just remember, you have to learn these two formula, 1, 2. These two formula you have to learn. See, divisor equal to dividend means 80, quotient means minus 5, means 80 divided by minus 5. You know division rule 2. In case of rule 2, rule 2, see the two different sign. So answer is negative, and after division you get 16. So the final answer will be minus 16. Okay students, thank you. This fourth chapter is completed. Next day we will come with a new chapter.